Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll walk you through the process of setting up HTTP custom default servers with SNI. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Step 1. Installing HTTP custom. First things first, head to your mobile app store, download, and install the HTTP custom VPN. Once it's installed, launch the app and you'll find yourself on the home screen. Step 2. Accessing VPN settings. Next, locate the hamburger icon at the top left corner of the screen. Click on it to reveal a menu. From there, navigate to the Connected section and select VPN settings to proceed. Step 3. Downloading servers. In the VPN settings, find the globe icon and click on it to download servers. Ensure you have mobile data for this step. Once the servers are downloaded, feel free to choose any server to continue. Step 4. Configuring SNI. Now you're almost set, but if you want to use server name indication, SNI, check the box next to it. Then, on the left side, click on the SNI label. A pop-up box will appear. Input a valid SNI, and if you're unsure about what SNI is, check out my dedicated video on the topic. Step 5. Connecting to VPN. With everything configured, click on the Connect button to initiate the VPN connection. And there you have it. Your HTTP custom default servers with SNI are all set up and ready to go. Conclusion. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your network, and of course, subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, happy browsing.